and looking for the right way. I think it's this way. So this was a nice wrong turn. Now I have 30 minutes to get down off this mountain. This was a really good wrong turn. Top of there with the bench and the nature, it's really nice, so I don't mind. But it took me a little bit of time. I need to walk like that. I hope there will not be much people on the thingy. I want to be there. 30 minutes till I'm on a church. Then probably again 30 minutes till I'm at my destination. Finally. So apparently there's a really easy way up here. You can do it with a small car. I took the hard way. I really climbed up here, but I saw this sign. Is this a bear? Maybe here are bears. I need to check that. So I checked it in Google, and what I found was a little bit scary. So Slovenia got one of the highest populations of brown bears in the whole world. There are around 2,000 to 2,500 bears in Slovenia. But I got very lucky because I was in the north and most of them are in the south of Slovenia, because the south of Slovenia is 91% forest. So they have it very nice down there, so no bears in my area. That was really good because I went in May to Slovenia, and in May they got their babies, and a mother bear with their baby cubs, it's not the best combination to stumble up on. They are very aggressive when they got their kids, and yes, you shouldn't stumble up on them. But you can even make a tour with the guide, and they got like tiny houses where you can watch wildlife brown bears. It's not guaranteed you will see a brown bear, but still it's a high chance, and you have a photo booth or a photo house where you can sit still till the bear walks up. You even can eat bear goulash, but the hunt season is only in August. I asked a cook, I saw on the menu there was bear goulash, and he said they are only allowed in August, and they just can hunt a specific number each year. In May it's not allowed because of the babies. They need to be able to raise them, so you can only get bear goulash in August down there when the hunting season is on. So in that time the bears are safe, and I was safe because they were mostly in the south. So I was less worried to cross paths with a bear. Okay, so I checked if there are any bears here, so yes. We are in the north at the moment, but there could be brown bear. Cool. Cool. Like the wildlife here in Slovenia is very diverse. You got so much stuff going on. Bears, otters, birds, raccoons, lux. I don't think they got boars. I didn't see boar signs. No way. I'm in the middle of that mountain road, and look at these. This is beautiful. Like in some other places in the world. Look at the tiny calf. In other places around the world, this wouldn't be possible. They would destroy it or do bad stuff to it. So it's really nice to see. I don't know what this is called, but very nice. I like it. Finally, some guy walked up here, and I said, this is the easy way. But he was exhausted, and I got bad news, buddy. It's 30 minutes. So I'm almost done, but it's getting very steep, and the water which comes from that mountain made it really muddy. I need to be very careful. And I saw on Google there's a pizzeria. There's a pizzeria right at the end of this route, so I can take a pizza. I made it. I got it. There's the church. And now I get some pizza. There's the little church. And there I get my pizza. Yes. And this pizza should have been heaven for me after that, and it was the first big meal after 2 days. It looked even really good, but then I took my first bite and I couldn't believe. It was probably my worst pizza I've ever had. I had a little buddy which did some company and helped that whole situation, but that pizza was so tasteless and just too much cheese. It was so a little bit of dough and too much cheese, and I didn't even taste the tomato sauce. It was just there, and it took 12 euros. This was one of my most expensive pizzas, and it was the worst. I don't want to shit on the people too much, but this was crazy. But then I saw how they make pizza. They just make it on those things with where you can make crap. Huh? That's not... You can't do that. That's not allowed by law in Italy. This would be a crime in Italy. I'm not gonna lie. It takes so much passion and proper work to get a pizza done. But this was just wrong. You can't just slam it on a hot plate and think, okay, this gonna make it. And just slam some cheese on it and a little bit of tomato sauce. Oh, there we go. We have some dough. I don't know which dough, but we will get it just round and that's our pizza. No, you can't do that. But I was hungry and yeah, I just ate the half of it and took the other half with me because I knew I got a long day and I don't want to waste food. So that was my first pizza experience in Slovenia. Not the best one. And there are so many pizzeria over the whole Slovenia, so I don't know if the other places are better because this was the first and the last pizza so far in Slovenia for me. Okay, now I got it because I asked the boss of that hood where I should go and he left because, yeah, I don't know why. That's the normal road, the blue one, it's normal, and I went the red one, and now I can walk here, the blue one again, that's the better one, and then you go to the waterfall and the rivers where I wanted to go. Did the wrong way, but same destination, like I'm here now. Damn, okay, let's go. So I did it, I hope you hear me. There's the waterfall. The view. I hope you can hear me. I got almost no battery left in my phone, but I got it. I got my GoPro, so you can still see what I see. That's the last time we see us in this camera, and let's go for the water. I'm really looking forward to it. So enjoy. And I can say this wasn't my day. So my phone battery went out. Then I got the info I was on the exit. It wasn't even the entrance where I went. And the entrance was 1 hour all the way back. So I needed to go back. It got even worse because this place closes at 17 o'clock and I got 16 o'clock at that time, so I got just 1 hour to get back, a 1 hour 15 trip. So I needed to move fast as well, and this way back wasn't a really good way. I felt my feet hurted very much and I knew I was going that way back again because on that side my car was. Like, I was really close at the entrance where my car was, but I took all the way up to the mountain to that exit. I went so bad, it doesn't even And then yeah, my phone battery died. I got my GoPro with me and I was like, okay, I'm safe. I got still footage, but I tell you what you see is the only footage I got because my capture card went kind of corrupt. I couldn't do much more footage and it just killed all the footage I took from Vintgar Klamm and that beautiful scenery. So you need to visit yourself. I just get with my last battery life some tiny little bits. I can tell you it was so worth it. It was the baddest day and I even broke a little bit of equipment on the way, but it was really worth it. The day was against me, but the experience was really big. Like, I climbed the mountain. That pure peace in the nature was awesome, and the Vintgar Klamm and the water was just an experience I will never forget, and I'm really happy I did it. The day was against me, but I turned it over to a good one. Thank you for watching these 2 episodes. I'll see you in the next one. It's a big cinematic, so see you Friday. Bye bye!